Should we be focusing less on the fact that this alliance is being formed and more on who's being included?
Exactly, and that's the point here because, Naira, for a while we knew now that the EU was working on this. Essentially, it's a replica of a mechanism that is already available at the WTO, but the U.S. has been taking steps to almost paralyze the institution because they don't agree with it and they do believe it's not really working. So the EU was working on this. We knew this was an idea that was on the table. What is significant now is that they have extended the network. So essentially, at the start of this, it was just Norway and Canada. Now you have big countries like China, and China is significant for two reasons. One is this is somewhere where you would want to appeal decisions, where you would want to solve trade disputes. Of course, that is the focus point is China. It's Europe and the U.S. You don't want to take countries you are in friendly terms with. You don't want to take other European countries to the WTO. You want to take the U.S. You want to take China. You don't have the U.S. now, but you will have China. And then secondly, politically, it's also significant because what it shows is that both China and the EU are saying, okay, if Trump is retrenching from the global stage, if he doesn't want to do this, it's fine. We're going to commit to it and we're sticking to this. So politically, also very significant.